I have 4 children and 11 grandchildren. And when you stand in the surf and you have the tide going one way and a 4-year-old, 6-year-old child pulling you the other way, it is very painful when your knee is not a healthy knee. Well, I had talked to many people who had gone through knee replacements, and a lot of them were horror stories. And so I had put it off for a number of years. I knew it was in the future.
The changes that have been made possible by virtue of our capital campaign and the creation of the Decker Orthopaedic Institute have really enhanced our patient care.
Probably for the last 2 or 3 years, we've really had to sort of modify activity because I couldn't walk that far.
We have both sides of the hospital, so each of those wings was closed for 6 to 9 months. This was really the first major renovation that we've undertaken for orthopedics. So this was a milestone for us, and it will be something that will endure for quite a long while in the future.
The fact that I was able to come the month before and see the floor and get the orientation, then I started feeling much more at ease.
A significant amount of the capital that we raised that was devoted to orthopedics went to the bricks and mortar. The nurses now have more state-of-the-art communications capabilities. Our equipment was updated. So it was really almost building a hospital within a hospital.
I can't thank this hospital enough. I had a wonderful experience. I mean, I really probably am a poster child for knee replacement because my experience was so good. You just felt like everything. I mean, from the pharmacist to the nurse to the people who were helping with physical therapy. I mean, even to the person who was bringing you your meals. It was all geared to a joint replacement. It's just the whole floor was geared to nothing but making you better.
I just hope that everyone who has an opportunity to see this video, to realize the gratitude that everyone who works here feels towards their generosity, because we really have a place that's very different and very unique and very much an enhancement over what we had before. And I don't think we could have had it without the donors' generosity.
Thank you to the donors for their contributions, making the facility what it was. It certainly changed my life. So this summer, for the first time, I could stand in the surf and play with my grandchildren.